And only you need to do, you don't need any solutions at all. Only you need is a beige gels. And I have 1 drops right here on my plate. And of course the Velvetty Gel brush is one, and is the bristles. Really a good quality, thick. It's not flimsy or shedding the hair at all. So then you can really good when you are like sculpting and manipulating your beads while you're doing it. And on the other end is spatula, so you can use it to get all of your Velvetty Gels bead before you are going to do. Pick smaller bead is a great thing about, you know what, here, let me get started first. So we're all going to do is apply 1 coat of a beige gel first thing first. And to make sure that it has a really good adhesion. And if you're doing for your clients' nails, make sure you prep and do all the basics manicure first. Clean, push back the cuticles and cleans all of the dead tissues off. And then you are going to apply yours beige gels and keep for 10 seconds. And then we're going to apply the sky bling on it. So let me see, is that Taylor have a nude on first? The Taylors have a nude on first and then the sky bling afterward? Ah, that's cool. I love that. That's something is really cool in learning, because I'm doing it in the other way. You can do however way you want, because you know I'm telling you, I did both of different way. Like one, you can do it sky bling first and then you can add the nudes on, or you can have the nude first and have a sky bling on. Give it a try and then see how it turn out, and then you will find out which way you like, and then you don't have to go like the way that we do. Find the way it works the best for you. There's 100,000 of different way to do with ombre. So submerging my bristle, we're gonna do some velvety gels and some cute crystal design. I'm so excited to see your designs on a crystal too, Taylor. Okay, so I'm gonna do just submerging my bristle into the beige gels, and you can see that it salt levels really well. It's salt as well. All you need to do is guide it from, you know, side to side to make sure they are stay on exactly where you want. And then blend this part to be a little bit thinner, because then you, when you are having your ombre, is going to blend it so well. Okay, great. Skewer this for 30 seconds. Cool. And that's the nude is so cute though. Let's go with everything.
It's like the perfect nude color.
Yes. And it's go with the short nails and the long nails. Here's just the 2 colors we're all working with. And then when Taylor is doing it, Taylor, you can move up a little bit onto your top right. Yes. And then for all of you are watching doers like screen, if you do not want to see any comments because it is taking away from the screen, tap on the top of the comments of all the comments you see is popping like it's running. All you need to do is tap on that screen and then pull it down, so all of your comments will be hidden, so then you can see both of our screen. Okay, so I'm done with this part, and then we are going to using nude. I'm so excited because I have both of the color here. Hey, thanks so much YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram are tuning in. Some are using these smaller beads, and keep in mind you can add more beads on if you feel like you need more, and you can remove it if you feel like it might be a little bit too much. The great thing about Velvetty Gels is not like runny, and it's also it salt levels really well when you are working and manipulating it. I'm using spatulas right here and then just blend it. This is great for beginner nail tech or for all the nail techs who want to edit the service on your business without have to deal with liquid and powder. And also for a lot of you who want to get, you know, really master of liquid and powder, this will be a great transitioning for you to get into the enhancement and then transitioning to your liquid and powder. And then I'm gonna using the bristle and then have my base gels already right there. And then and keep your bristle parallels like flat, and then you just basically feather guiding it, because when it is your velvety gel, one comment velvety gel is salt levels really well, especially when you're doing on the natural nails like your client's nails. It's gonna even better because it's had the body temperatures and it's warmer, so it's even like salt levels so well. So I keep it blending it, blend. So now if you notice that when is on my designs, you can see sky bling like hidden under the nude, and then but you when you see the design from Taylor, you see the designs that it was sky bling show a lot of more. So it's just depend on your preference and on your client's preference. Like clients, oh, I don't want any sky blings to show a lot, sparkle a lot, but I still want something, then you can do this like techniques. If you want your sky bling to be more showing more, you can using what is Taylor show you. I love it that how we have all different way option for you to do right there, and you can see that how easy it is. Let me see Taylor. New looks. You can use a code from a brand ambassador code for a free shipping of totals $149. Yes, you can. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and clear this up a little bit, Taylor. Move up a little bit. Yes.
No, shoot.
Yeah. There you go. Cure for 60 seconds.